Hello everybody. There's Lake Mead in front of us right there. Look at how low it is. It's actually sad to see that. But Sean and I are going to take a hike today through the railroad pass tunnels. They built this prior to the dam, and this is where they brought all the supplies through. And there should be some critters out. Oh my God, look at this huge web.
It's on you.
It is on me. Holy, that's a tarantula web. I hope you, oh my dear God.
Walk left, walk.
Yeah. I hope that's showing up, this web. Look, Sean has it.
I think it's like 20 feet long.
It is. It's like a kite.
At first I was like, wait, is that like thin fishing line?
Yeah, I thought it was. We're off and running like a herd of turtles. Yeah, danger, extreme conditions. Stop, do not hike June through September. Huh. That is darn true. These are still tailing piles from when they dug these tunnels out. It's from the day when they built the dam. This is prior to building the dam, all this. And you see Arizona right across from us. Hope it's picking up on how low the lake is. Giving a Hoover Dam tour. Giving a dam tour. Yeah, demonetized for saying the dam. Crossing the Colorado River on the 6 company lines. Yeah, it was 6 companies that merged together because this was just way too big of a job. And this job was during the Depression. Sean's throwing rocks right over my head. I seen it.
It's like 4 feet.
Oh, 4 feet, okay. I'm telling you, it gets piping hot out here. Oh, they moved Hemingway all the way over here.
Oh, wow.
There's Hemingway Harbor right there. It's the busiest harbor on Lake Mead. I mean, Echo Bay Harbor is pretty much shut down. Logandale, that's shut down. Cavell Bay is shut down. Oh my goodness, yeah, it's bad. Oh, but the batch plant was basically, you see the U right there? It was right there in the water, so halfway in the water. That's where the batch plant was. And they just left it and let the lake fill in over it. And when they were filling this lake, it triggered earthquakes for years, small earthquakes, due to all the weight. Look at all these massive boulders right here. I mean, look at them. Yeah, look at them compared to Sean. Just all that fell off of right there. But look at that. Wait, when is that sucker gonna give way? You can see right here, here's Hemingway Harbor, which is, now you could barely see it. But then the dam, you go right around where I showed you, and bam, right there. On the side of those mountains right there, which are sheer cliffs, I mean sheer cliffs. I mean, a lot of that is just a pure 90-degree angle. But the bighorn sheep, they climb all over that. I was just telling Sean, I'm surprised we haven't seen 1 or 2 yet. But this is where it's talking about them right here. It's definitely not too hot for them. Oh, and look at that. Speckled rattlesnakes. And of course, the pesky coyote. The military annexing all that land, they're annexing the largest protected area of bighorn sheep. they don't need that land that they're taking. Does it? Wow.
Yeah, that's pretty weak.
Shale.
Well, it might be just really strong. That could be it.
That's what it is. I mean, look at this just growing straight out of the rock. Nothing. Come on. Nope. Right over there.
Oh crap.
Ooh. Oh my goodness, Hemingway is right there. Hemingway Harbor, when I first moved here, was clear over there. But it would have been way over here, right before that little housing community right there. People live there full time right there. Now it's right here. This is very interesting. Concrete plugs. On the slope below are some broken concrete plugs that were built as placeholders in the powerhouse floor at Hoover Dam. They were removed later when the turbines were installed to generate electricity. The final one was removed in 1961. Yeah, because they didn't put in all the turbines at once. But these are pretty much the castings. They just brought them out here and dumped them. I have never noticed this. That is some thick rebar you're pulling on there, bud. It's not round? What? I've never seen square rebar either. Oh, you never break that off. Holy moly, that is square rebar. That is neat stuff. It's all over in the ground.
Can't bend it.
Look at this. Square. Hopefully you guys can hear this. These are some of the massive power lines that are coming out of Hoover Dam. You could hear the power going through there, the electricity. Those are actually small lines compared to what's going on. Wow, you can see right there how low the lake is. Yeah, the bathtub ring right there. Fortification Hill. Oh, that's right. They used to have gunnery posts. They actually still have them right by the dam. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I didn't do that.
Cut that out of the video.
Digging the tunnels. Yeah. 100-degree heat. Gosh, a lot hotter than that. Look at these guys. Think you could work like that now? Heck no. Yeah, it had to have been grueling doing every bit of the Hoover Dam. Oh, it's so nice in here. Yeah. Can you guys hear? There's so many, but I can't see a single one. Listen to that. They are. Oh, I really hope that's picking up. Oh, you can see where they put the anchors in right there. There's 2 anchors. Keep it from collapsing.
Yeah,
Well, it expands the rock. Think how long these have been up here. Oh, that's some workmanship there. Wow. Look how the stone changes right here. Look at this, Sean.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That's hard stone.
Yeah.
Wow. How does it change just between, I mean, that's literally 100 yards. I mean, this looks like something from Disneyland right here.
It actually does. It looks artificial.
Yes, it completely looks artificial. There's another massive line coming from Hoover Dam. Dam generates so much electricity. That was just a huge byproduct of the dam, harnessing the Colorado River from flooding out areas and then one year just being almost a stream. Hard times in the desert. Oh yeah, the tent city. In front of their Ragtown. Yeah, that's how a lot of them had to live. They had to put a fence around Boulder City to keep people out that wanted to work because of the depression. I just don't know how I stood it. There was very little fresh food or meat or little store. The ants were absolutely our worst problem. I could only imagine. The ants would, The ants would beat you to the food. Oh my goodness. If you had stood here in the early 1930s, you would have looked down on the wooden cabins, tattered tents, and cardboard dwellings of Ragtown. Ragtown was right down there. My goodness. Makeshift structure housed hundreds of families that came here during the Depression for the work on Hoover Dam. Conditions were primitive outhouses, no running water, and no electricity. While husbands and fathers were at work, wives and children dealt, oh my goodness, with the summer heat and winter cold. Ooh, that would be a heck of a fall there.
Yeah.
And you can almost see Lake Las Vegas over there. Yeah, he's a teenager, 24/7 on his phone. Snapchat. What's that other one he's always on?
Huh?
Nothing.
I heard Snapchat.
What are those sites you're always on? Snapchat?
Yeah.
There's one other that you're on.
Instagram.
Instagram. There you go. What color is that jet, Sean? White and blue?
Yeah.
Yep. Look right there, the moon. That's a good shot right there.
I'm really dumb.
You really what?
I am really dumb. I didn't have my sweat point app going.
Oh,
Actually, it might have been.
Sean, wait, everybody. Sean found this app. Sean and I do a lot of walking. Obviously, he does more than me because he has to walk to and fro to his practices, even though he's going to be driving soon. But what's the app you got?
Sweat coin.
What?
Sweat coin.
Sweat coin.
Yeah.
So when you're walking, it literally registers.
Yep. Every 1,000 steps equals 1 sweat coin. I mean, 1 sweat coin probably equals 60, 75 cents, I'm thinking. Well, actually,
Yes.
I don't know.
And you just turned on Sweatcoin now.
Yeah, you have to have it running while you walk. You just walk right under it.
Yeah. Go down there and give me that piece of wood right there, Sean. That's from the 30s.
That one.
Yeah, that one.
I couldn't make it, that was too big.
See if you can hit it. Come on. No, grab a baseball-sized rock and hit it. Come on, you can do it. You everybody see the wood? He'll get it. Ooh, so close, but so far. Still might have been a strike. Oh, second try. Kid's a stud. Yeah, we're in rattlesnake country right now. Big time. You can just hear that electricity buzzing above. Look at that. Has a yellow and a white flower. Almost looks like cotton. It's not. I am really looking for slithering things. I had a green Mojave go right in front of me one time. That scared me to death. They bite you, you're dead within minutes. I don't even think it takes minutes. It just paralyzes you automatically. This is a path actually going all the way around. That's your last one. I don't want you hurting your back. Gonna call the BLM on us.
Oh God, I'm worried.
Yep.
You have such connections.
He's got skills too, remember.
Yep, technician.
You're gonna ruin my backpack with that?
Oh, it's funny. He still films on GoPro 3.
And we all know you do. We could hear that.
You film on potatoes, so I mean.
Yeah, I do. I was gonna actually take everybody camera shopping at the Smiths.
I was thinking sweet potato this time, to be honest.
Yeah, I don't know if I could afford sweet potato.
Yeah.
I don't.
I mean, they are like 67, or are they 67 cents per pound? That's too much.
Yeah, it's way beyond our budget, you know. Yeah, maybe we'll be able to get a GoPro 3 sometime.
Oh, man.
Okay, this boulder is just too cool. What in the world? It's gonna take a few more rainstorms and this thing's gonna be down. Oh dear. I didn't look for a snake there. Phew. Thought I heard something too, thank goodness. There's a cave in there? There's a cave. If I can get up there. No, there's not. Kind of. Oh yeah, absolutely. I think it actually is a den. Oh yeah, I've been looking. This is where they are. Oh, holy moly, it is. That's a traveler right there. I don't know if you guys can see him. He's waving now. He was walking this trail, wanting to get to the 95, probably going from Nevada to Arizona. So he's walking up that way to get to the 95. Which it definitely does go. Now we're thinking about where to eat in Boulder City. You can see the old Highway 93 and the new Highway 11 up above, if a truck will drive by. Highway 11 has already taken, gosh, I believe it was 28% of Boulder City's tourism away. And there's a truck right there. That's Highway 11. Completely bypasses Boulder City. And then there's the road that goes right through Boulder City, which was there for years. All right, everybody, thank you very much for watching. Bye now.